Well, hello there and greetings. It's Matthew McDonald here and welcome to this response video where we're going to take a quick look at your responses to the last video and also quickly touch on the custom video player 1.6 that's coming out this Friday. Okay, so depending when you're watching it, whatever the next Friday is, that's when it's coming out. If you're a little bit late, you can think about the previous Friday, that's when it came out. So the custom video player 1.6 is about to come out, but just before we talk about the 1.6, I want to quickly mention a few things and give you a bit of feedback on the responses to my last video. So about a week ago I made a video about the custom video player versus the Simple Video Pro, which is a new software that came out for WordPress for putting videos on your WordPress sites. Now the Simple Video Pro, and I kept calling it Easy Video Pro, or I probably called it a few different things, but I was referring to the Simple Video Pro. That's not our product, that's our competitor's product, but I've just decided to give you guys an open discussion on the product and have a look at what sort of features you like about that, which features you'd like to have in the custom video player, and also give us some priorities with all the features that we want to add to the custom video player. Now pretty much all the features you see on any video player out there, if they're not on the custom video player yet, you will see them on the custom video player in the near future. Now if you're a custom video player, custom meaning you own the custom video player, you would have heard a lot of talk about the custom video player 1.6, which is all about supporting mobile devices. So I've been working on the custom video player 1.6 here in my workstation, and in front of me here I've got my iPad here ready to go. Obviously got the iPhone here. We've got a Samsung Galaxy, and I do kind of Android testing with this one here. And then a couple days ago I went and picked up the BlackBerry just so we can cover all the different mobile devices. I've got my Big Mac there, got some PC laptops as well. So it's a really good testing environment in this very versatile world. And on top of all these different platforms, you have different browsers, okay? So that's why playing video online, it's still relatively new in a sense that not all the equipment has really caught up. So you've got different kind of requirements with different web browsers. So it's not as easy as just looking at it on your computer and thinking, hey, that looks perfect, or maybe trying it on your friend's computer. It takes several computers, several different browsers, and now for the last 5 to 10 years, mobile devices have really come into play in the market. So with the custom video player, up until now, till the release of 1.6, we've been a little bit limited for the mobile devices, and a lot of people use mobile devices. I use them myself, so we needed to find a video solution for both for desktop and mobile devices. So with the custom video player 1.6, you're actually going to be able to have a HTML5 video player which can play your MP4 videos or different formats that are designed for mobile devices. And this video is not a training video, so I'm not going to go into which video formats to use to set everything up. But basically you need a minimum of 2 different video file formats if you're going to be playing them across all the different mobile devices. A lot of people will tell you need 3 different formats, but you can get away with 2, and I'm going to be covering those with the videos that are going to be following up with the custom video player 1.6 release. Okay, hope I'm not getting too tongue twisted here and you're keeping up with what I'm saying, but basically as time goes, browsers and everything, it's going to be more adapted to video, and we're going to have a lot more flexibility with our online video marketing. So with the new Custom Video Player 1.6, it's actually got a HTML5 video player built into the platform. So when somebody goes to view a video, it's going to detect what kind of a device they're on and then deliver that particular video player that's going to play best on their device. So let's say you're on an iPhone or someone's on an iPhone, they come to your web page to have a look at the video. It will load the HTML5 video player instead of the Flash player, which it does by default. Now with the way the web is today, Flash is still the most supported platform for playing videos on your site, but we're gradually, fairly rapidly moving away from Flash to HTML5. Okay, so that's a platform using JavaScript that can play videos in the browsers. It's basically something that's built into the browser, and when Flash is not available, we want to make sure we can use this HTML5 technology to play those videos. And I'm going to do some training on this, so don't feel like you've got to take all of this on board, but I'll just give you a little heads up with the video and with the way video works. Now, before we go and have a look at the Custom Video Player 1.6, a sneak behind the scene, just a quick talk about some of the responses you guys gave, and I am so impressed with you guys. Every person that took time to write a comment below the video or sent in emails. We've had 50 comments on the actual video page, and I've had loads and loads of emails coming in, so that's a great response. So about a week ago, I sent out a video asking for feedback to do with the Custom Video Player, which is our video player, and the Simple Video Pro that I keep calling Easy Video Pro, and asking you to give me some feedback and tell me what you think. And the feedback has been absolutely sensational. You guys have done a fantastic job. We've had 50 comments below the video at the time of recording this, and I'll be closing those comments very shortly. And I've had loads and loads of emails coming in, and I've read every single one of those emails and also read every single one of those comments and taken notes. Now, as I was going through those comments, the first thing that really jumped out at me was that the Custom Video Player needs to be supported on mobile devices, and that's where we're going this Friday, and you'll get your download instructions. And also, just a quick note, if you've bought the Custom Video Player anytime previous to now, you're going to get the free upgrade, which is fantastic. You'll be able to update your Custom Video Player without having to pay anything, which is really cool. Okay, and I'm just checking my screen over here, and the interesting thing about your feedback was there was a lot of similarities of what you guys are asking for, and also I totally agree with these different features and having them implemented into the Custom Video Player. So possibly the number one thing that I've been hearing about both now and also previously on the thread, and that's been mobile devices, and that's with the Custom Video Player 1.6, which gets released this Friday. That's going to be taken care of, and you'll be able to watch your videos on your mobile devices. Now, another thing that's really brought a little bit of urgency to my attention through this feedback is having that image at the end of the video. So at the moment with the Custom Video Player, you can have an image that comes up before the video. If you've got the video, you know, the video loads, it might not start playing automatically, but you can set an image that loads there before the video starts playing. Now, a lot of people want to have an image at the end as well. So what I'm looking at is having two images, have one in the start and have another one at the end. And you could use the same image, or you could use separate images as well. Few people also want a redirect page, where at the end of the video the page or the viewer will be directed to another web page. So we'll be looking at doing that. And also start and stop time. So being able to choose when does the video start. So the video would start after an X number of minutes or seconds, and that way you can select different parts of a video to play to the end user. The other one, and this one's great because I'm already working on this and it's pretty much ready to go. I've just been waiting for the Custom Video Player 1.6 with the mobile device support before releasing it, and that's Custom Video Player for WordPress. A lot of people have their site set up on WordPress, so you might be a WordPress user and you just think it would be easier to have the Custom Video Player as a plugin that you can just install from inside your WordPress admin. So keep a lookout for the email. I've got something on the way with that one. It's pretty much ready, but I first have to make sure everything's working with the mobile devices so that we can carry all those new features and support onto the WordPress edition when we release the WordPress edition. So there is a custom video player for WordPress coming out very, very shortly. I'm not talking about months, I'm talking weeks at the most. Also, PayPal buttons in the video that you can set the time. So if you want to sell something through your video, you can set exactly what time that PayPal button appears, and also opt-in form. So I'm really big on list building. I recommend anybody who wants to build a business online, you need to build a list, a mailing list of people to contact and sell to and provide valuable content to. So an opt-in form and a PayPal button, they are going to be a part of an upcoming custom video player. So we've got all these cool new things to look forward to. Custom Video Player 1.6 is coming out Friday, woohoo! And once that's out there and it's running, then we're going to start heading for the next update and adding some of these awesome video marketing features into the next update. Now, what I want to do now, I just want to give you a quick sneak behind the scenes of the Custom Video Player 1.6 so we can see what to expect this Friday. And for those of you that have the Custom Video Player, make sure you keep an eye out for an email. You'll receive all your download information for the package, and also the members area will be releasing that shortly as well. So let's jump to my desktop, which is just over here, and have a look at the Custom Video Player 1.6. So if we have a look here, this is not fully ready. There's a few more tweaks that I'm doing here, but I just want to quickly show you some of these new features in the Custom Video Player 1.6. So if we just start from the top, we can see it's a different design, and this is to give you more space to work in. So we've made the Custom Video Player heading smaller to give you more workspace as we've got more features coming up. So if we have a look here on the right top corner, we've got sitemaps. So from here, when you've built your sitemaps, all your different sitemap names will be here. You'll be able to click them. They'll open up in a window, and you'll have your links here and also your Google Webmaster Submission link. And then it'll look a little bit different when you get it, but you'll see your different videos in your sitemap. So let's say you've got a video 1, video 2, and video 3 in one video sitemap. So you might create a different sitemap for a group of videos and then put those videos together into that video sitemap. So from here, if there's any changes, you can just click that, and from here you can make those different changes to your video sitemap, and you'll be able to also delete, cancel. For instance, if you've taken a video down, you can go into that sitemap and you can just remove that video from the sitemap, and there we go. We're also going to be adding a similar feature for the settings, so you'll be able to save your settings as well as different videos in the same format, and you'll be able to go up here and load the different settings that you have for your custom video player. It's going to save you a lot of time from trying to figure out exactly how you had your videos set up. Just a couple more things here. We can see you'll be able to choose whether to prioritize the Flash player or the HTML5 player, which is great for MP4 videos. And if we have a look at that just now, up the top here, what I've got an MP4 file, and down here, this is actually loading the HTML5 player. Now, by default, the Flash player will load, but this is a player that will load for all mobile devices or devices that don't support the Flash player. And you'll also be able to choose this MP4 player by default. So if we hit the play there, we can see the video starts playing straight away. Now with the Flash player, if you're playing an MP4 video, the Flash will actually be a little bit slower at loading it. So you'll be able to choose the HTML5 video player instead of the Flash player, and then your MP4 videos are going to load much faster. Another thing is with the themes, here, let's try the evergreen theme, something a little bit extreme just to show you that the themes will also work for the HTML5 player. So just load that, and there we can see that's the HTML green player, and it does look a little bit different, but still you're getting those colors going through to your HTML5 video player. You've got your full screen there as well, which is really cool with the HTML5 players. You get this nice sort of effect, how it opens up the whole browser for you. Alright, so there we go. There's our custom video player 1.6 quick preview, which is coming out this Friday. And in the advanced settings, you've got all your different settings. A lot of these will also work for the HTML5 player, even though they're Flash settings. They were designed for the Flash player, but I've been able to integrate a good portion of these into the HTML5 player as well. So there we go, exciting stuff. Custom video player has come a long way in a period of 6 months, and we are going places, and I'm so excited to have you on board as well. If you haven't bought the custom video player yet, make sure you grab it now, because I can promise you the price is only gonna go up. And if you grab it now, you're gonna get all the updates down the track as well. So I'll put the information on this page. If you don't have the custom video player, you can grab it now. And also, if you want to partner with me in publishing the custom video player and telling people about the custom video player, then you can share in the commissions. You can earn some really good money doing so, and I'll put that information below this video as well. So as soon as 1.6 comes out, which is this Friday, sales are going to start going through the roof again. So if you want to be on the promo team, get the information below this video. If you don't have it yet, make sure you grab it now, because it's a fantastic tool that you're going to have in your toolbox for the rest of your life. So video is becoming more and more popular online. Excuse me, I'm getting a little bit excited, but video is getting more and more popular, and the better we get at using video, both our own videos, creating videos, using other people's YouTube videos, which is also what the custom video player does, the more effective we can be online, the more creative we can be, the better communicators we can be. And whatever your message is, I think you've got some message. If you're in business, the message might be about your product or services, or it might be a personal message, could be even much more important than your business. Whatever that message is, you can use video to get that message out and get it out in a powerful way. So that's what we're doing here with the custom video player. If you haven't subscribed to Video List Master, make sure you do that as well. I've just got back from traveling, and I have some amazing resources I'm going to be teaching, that I'm going to be handing out. I'm going to be making videos and teaching people exactly how did I build my business online using video and creating products using using video to build my list, using video to create products, and even making video products. So you can do a lot with video, and I want to make sure you guys don't miss out. So if you want to find out about that, make sure you register for the videolistmaster.com. You can get a free membership and you'll be able to log in and already start with some of the training that's up there now. Now the training that's up there, it's good, but I've got some really amazing stuff on the way. Okay, so you've got the custom video player 1.6. it's coming out this Friday. We've got the Video List Master training about to launch, and then we've got the new generation entrepreneurs, and that's for people who want to be earning a full-time income online. I might as well put that link below this video as well. New generation entrepreneurs, basically that's something, it won't be free. Videolistmaster.com, you can get that for free. New generation entrepreneurs, that's basically people that want to get serious about building a successful online business and dedicating for at least 6 months to do it. I've done from 0 to hero in 6 months, and so that's the sort of stuff I can teach. All right, I'm Matthew McDonald. Make sure you keep up to date with the videos. If you want to take part in the promotions, make sure you grab that information below this video. Hey, thanks for your time. I'm excited about video. I'm excited about Custom Video Player 1.6, and then we'll head for 1.7, which is going to be totally amazing, and all these new features and suggestions that people have been throwing at us. That's what we want to be using. And we want to use video to be good communicators online, good effective communicators, and have fun at the same time. So I'm Matthew McDonald. Thank you for your time, and I will see you in the next video.